Hey YouTube, this is Nick. On my journey of starting a YouTube channel, I've been doing a lot of research, and a lot of people have told me to invest in a clip-on microphone and a tripod. So I've done a little bit of research through Google and found these things. Bought them from Amazon. I'm going to open the box and show them to you. Okay, in this big box, we have 3 little boxes. There's the Eocean stand. Then we have the Pop Voice clip-on microphone. And I bought an extension cord for the microphone because I plan on doing some videos being a little farther away. So I'll open these up and then show them to you. So the extension cord is the first thing I opened, and looks pretty nice. It's got a nice feel to the cord. I think it was like $9. I believe this one had like gold-plated ends, so they say that's better for audio quality. Here's the Pop Voice PV510 Plus Lavalier microphone. Comes in a little pouch. So here's the little wind baffles and an adapter. For some reason it needs a different adapter for your computer, I think it said. And here is the lavalier mic. Has a little clip-on doodly dad. Plug, Pop Voice. Can't see that. And it comes with a little booklet. Tells you how to set it up. Here's the Eocean stand. Got a cool bag with a little shoulder strap, so I can take it on a hike, on my bike, wherever. First thing that fell out was the cool little Bluetooth remote, so you can do camera and video. Top button says iOS and the bottom button says Android, so be interested to try that. And it also, this came with a smartphone holder, because I plan on doing videos with the smartphone, which is what I'm doing right now. It's a Samsung Galaxy S9. Then the tripod. Aw, thank you so much for your order. It's so cute. It's got a little smiley face on it. Yeah, blah 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 blah. So one of the reasons I bought this tripod in particular was the extensions come out of the legs, because I plan on doing videos at work and stuff, and this will allow me to do them on uneven surfaces. And so there's 3 extensions per leg. They open pretty easily. It's very lightweight. It feels cheap, kind of, but it was very inexpensive. However, when they're all locked in, it stiffens right up, so I think, for what I'm doing, this would be plenty fine. So I'll set that there. So over here you have this little turny noob. Turn that, which allows you to pivot the armature. This also has another turny noob, so you can go that way, so you have full, whatever you want to call it, stuff, angly action. And then on the other side there's another little turny guy for more height. So This thing is fairly tall and it's fully extended. It's up to my chest. So I just measured it. It's 53 inches total height, without the legs being out. So I'm assuming it will drop a little bit. I believe they're all usually marketed at 50 inches. So we'll see if it's actually 50 inches. Thing just pops right open. Pretty nice. Very sturdy. Boom. 49 and a half. I lied, half-inch short. Put my little phone clip on. Google Pixel 3. You just pull this little thing on the top. Ba-doop. There you go. It worked. I can change the angle. It has a little bubble level on the side. So with a little finagling, it's perfectly level. And I can tip it side to side. I'm not going to do it that way, but you can if you want. I guess that's it for now. Thank you. This is the test without the microphone plugged in. All right, here is the test with the new microphone. I've got my new microphone and my tripod here. Going to attempt to make my first video. I just used this thing to turn on the camera. Focus. It won't focus. It works with both buttons. Okay, so I've had a chance to try everything out. I do really like this microphone. One thing that I've noticed right away is that even with the extension cord that I got for it, I find myself tripping over it all the time because the videos that I'm trying to do are like how-to videos while I'm doing construction and stuff. So I'm going to hopefully save up and get like a wireless Bluetooth mic or something. In my head I have like, if I can get 100 subscribers, then I'll go out and buy it. But until then, I think I'm gonna stick with the, you know, what I got, $21 between the cord and the mic right now. Other than that, I mean, from what I've listened back, the microphone quality is really good. I don't know, it's a mic. I don't really know what else to say about it. I did use the little remote. Both buttons worked for me on my Android Samsung Galaxy S9. This thing says Android down here and iOS up here, but I've been using the top button actually. Worked just fine. There's a little switch on the side, and it once you set it up to your phone once, it automatically, as soon as I turn it on, it just like a little message comes up on my screen and it automatically is connected and it works great. The app I'm using on my phone is actually called Open Camera. I found it in something I was doing research about, and there's a whole bunch of settings that you can use on there to set it. So I don't know, there's way more stuff than I've figured out how to do or even tried to. Stuff with exposure time and aperture and focusing, like it's not going to do that thing that it's been doing during all my videos because I don't know how to get it to stop, but I'm learning, so I'll figure it all out. So for the tripod, in the first video I was explaining that the handle that you turn actually makes it tilt forward and backward, not the little knob on the side. The little knob makes the whole thing pivot. So over here you have this little turning noob. Turn that, which allows you to pivot the it still moves in every direction. It's very easy to use. I just didn't know when I was pulling it out of the box what the things actually did. The levers are really easy to move up and down. The thing is easy to collapse, move around. It moves into that little bag. It's very compact. I like it. So for right now, for starting up, I think everything that I got is really good. So I think I said I spent like less than $45, and I got the tripod, the extension cord, and the microphone. So I've started telling some friends about this, and they're telling me they've got some digital cameras they're willing to let me use versus me using my phone. So that would be cool too. I don't really want to spend a lot of money right now. You know, this is not a money-making thing. This is just for fun and to help people. So that's my review on the mic, the cord, the tripod, and I guess recording on a phone. You know, it does work. So I'm editing these right now in iMovie on a MacBook. I tried using a different software, but it didn't really work. So this is working for now, and I'll upgrade whenever I can. I know this is not carpentry related video, but this is just me getting started. The videos to come will be, as I said before, how-to videos, tool, you know, when my tools break or anything like that. I'm gonna show how to set up tools, you know, change blades and set tools up to be square and cut right and everything. And I'm gonna go through my equipment, my truck, my trailer, you know, a lot of stuff like that. I might even get into like day-to-day business stuff. I guess that's it. Please give me a like, subscribe, and have a great day.